what ways can a question involving the volume of a cylinder formula be made a little bit more tricky? In this case, we are being asked for the volume of the cylinder. We are given the height of 5 meters, but not given the radius. Instead, we are given the area of the circle at one end of the cylinder, 28.26 meters squared. We can find the radius of that circle by using the area of a circle formula, which is pi r squared. So let's plug our numbers into that formula and solve for r. The area is 28.26. Pi is 3.14. And r squared is our unknown. Dividing both sides by 3.14, these cancel. R squared is isolated and is equal to 28.26 divided by 3.14, which is 9. But we want r, not r squared. If r squared is equal to 9, r is equal to the square root of 9, which is 3. Now we have our radius, and we can move on to use the volume of a cylinder formula. V is our unknown. It's equal to pi 3.14 times r squared, which will be 3 squared, times h, which is 5. Three squared is 9, and 9 times 5 is 45. So we have 3.14 times 45. Hang on. And 3.14 times 45 is 141.3. Since we were dealing with meters and meters squared, and this is a volume, the volume will be given in meters cubed. In this example, we are given the volume and the height, and we are being asked for the area of the circle at one end of the cylinder. We cannot go directly into the area of a circle formula because for that we need the radius, which we don't know. This forces us to use the volume of a cylinder formula to find the radius as a first step. Plugging the numbers we have into this formula, the V is replaced by 50.24. Pi is 3.14. The r squared is our unknown, and h is 4. Simplifying, we multiply 4 by 3.14, and we get 12.56. R squared is still there. Now to isolate the r squared, we will divide both sides by 12.56. These cancel. R squared is isolated and is equal to 50.24 divided by 12.56, which is 4. But we do not want r squared, we want r. If r squared is equal to 4, r is equal to the square root of 4, which is 2. Now we can plug our radius of 2 into the area of a circle formula and find the area of this circle. Area is equal to pi, which is 3.14, times r squared, which is 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. And 4 times 3.14 is 12.56. The area of the circle is 12.56. Since we were dealing with centimeters and centimeters cubed for our distance and our volume, the area will be given the unit centimeters squared. The area of the circle at the end of this cylinder is 12.56 centimeters squared.